Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin now. Confirm your Apple ID and that you still know its password. This makes the process faster. Once you verify a trusted phone, email, or device, go to Icloud. Apple, com, and sign in. If two-factor authentication is active, note that security questions are handled differently. Make sure you have a trusted device to receive verification codes. If you lack access to those, prepare proof of purchase and photo ID, because you may need to contact Apple support to prove account ownership. Once signed in, navigate to Security and select the option to change or reset security questions. You will be prompted to verify your identity with a code sent to a trusted phone or device. Enter that code immediately because it expires. After verification, pick 3 new questions and write concise, memorable answers that you can recall without storing them insecurely. Make sure answers are distinct. If you use a password manager, save the answers there. This step secures account recovery going forward. After updating, confirm the changes and sign out of devices that use the Apple ID, then sign back in so all devices sync with the new security settings. Make sure any app-specific passwords or device keychains still function. Regenerate them if required. If at any point you cannot verify your identity, do not guess initiate Apple account recovery or contact Apple support. Prepare proof of purchase and valid photo ID. This is the only reliable path if verification codes and trusted devices are unavailable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.